day off, so I am excited to tell you about how I spend time on Sunday. Leisure activity. Going to the pool, spend time with my family, going shopping, sleeping. Going to the pool. I love going to the pool in my spare time. Listening to the water falling is relaxing. Spend time with my family. My family is the most important thing in my life. We always meet on weekends, eat together, talk about our problems, plan vacation together. I love being with them. Shopping. I really like to go shopping. On Sunday, I go for a walk in the mall. Walking around is relaxing. Sleeping. I love to rest and sleep in the morning. Sunday is the only day I can lay in bed longer. I almost always wake up very late. My preference. I love spending time with my family. I love making plans with them. I prefer spending time with my family rather than on my own. I prefer lying in bed until late on Sundays to waking up early. I love going shopping as it is relaxing. I very much like swimming because the sound of water is relaxing.